What up, guys? Lenny with Lenny's Bike Shop here in Ferndale, Washington. We got a brand new 2018 Rocky Mountain Growler 20. They made this in 3 different models, the 20, 40, and 50. This thing's aluminum frame, 60/61. It's got a Rocky Mountain AM stem on here, Rocky Mountain bars, AM. It's got hydraulic disc brakes, front and rear, Shimano. 9-speed Shimano shifter, alt disc on here. The fork is a Sun Tour XCM. It's got a lockout on there. There's speed lockout for climbing uphill. Unlock it for your descents. It's got 120 mil travel. It's a pretty basic fork, but it does the job for a beginner. This is a 27.5 plus size, so you got monster truck tires on here. 27.5 2.8s front and rear WTBs. They are tubeless compatible. The rims are set up, the Alex rims. All you gotta do is add sealant and new valve stems. The drivetrain's a 1x9 Shimano. It's got a KMC X9 on here chain. The derailleur is a Shimano Sarah. Rocky Mountain cranks on here, platform pedals. The frame is set up to do a dropper post, so you can run one externally on here. It's got WTB Volt seat on here. If you haven't ever ridden a plus size bike, I recommend definitely taking one out. Super fun, feels like a monster truck when you're riding over stuff. You can also take it in the sand or snow. It's not a fat bike, but it does the job. This thing is $8.99 MSRP. We have one left. It's $700 on Closeout right now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button.